regional directors of the World Intellectual Property Organization, the regional heads of the intellectual property offices in Fiji and the Pacific, land members of the legal fraternity, distinguished participants, ladies and gentlemen. It is with great pleasure and pride that I stand before you today to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to this momentous occasion. The heads of Intellectual Property Office Conference for Pacific Island countries. Yes, I took a trip to Brussels to kindly invite our friend, if they can, acknowledge the Pacific and come and hold a conference. And it's a good feeling to see him seated here today. The theme of the conference is towards regional intellectual property, strategy and initiative for entrepreneurs and innovations in and from the Pacific Islands. This conference provides a unique platform to engage in open dialogue where we can share knowledge, best practices, and draw from various experiences across the region. We will learn from one another, draw inspirations from success stories, and work collectively to raise awareness of the significance of intellectual property protection in the Pacific Islands and how intellectual property can be utilized to promote economic growth and protect traditional knowledge and cultural expressions in its multifaceted features. In the Pacific spirit, we are united through a shared commitment to protection of intellectual property in the Pacific Islands. The Pacific Islands, with their pristine beauty, rich cultural diversity, unique ecosystems, hold a wealth of untapped potential. They are home to visionaries, investors, creative spirits who continuously come up with groundbreaking ideas, particularly through cultural and artistic expressions that resonate with the world. However, to unlock the full potential of this creativity and innovation, it is imperative to establish a coordinated regional strategy and initiative for intellectual property protection and support intellectual property encompassing patents, trademarks, copyrights, trade secrets, lies at the heart of innovation. It provides the legal foundation for protecting ideas, products, and brands, nurturing a climate where innovation can thrive. In the Pacific Islands, entrepreneurs and innovators face unique challenges. A key priority in terms of IP in the Pacific is the safeguarding of traditional knowledge and cultural expressions, ensuring that they are properly recognized and protected. I say this, I acknowledge the presence of the consultant, Mr. Tuiloma, who is currently drafting a bill, doing consultation of traditional knowledge. We hope, if not by November, probably in the early new year, to push a bill into Parliament. We need to protect and empower and nurture the talents of entrepreneurs, innovators, paving the way for economic development, global recognition, and the preservation of cultural heritage. As we look ahead, let us keep in mind that innovation knows no bounds. By uniting our efforts to safeguard and promote intellectual property, the Pacific Islands can embark on a remarkable journey towards brighter, more prosperous future. This initiative represents a step forward in shaping the destiny of Pacific Islands, encouraging creativity and fostering a legacy of innovation that will benefit generations to come. The aim of this conference is not merely to talk about the problem, but to emerge with realistic solutions and action plans which are appropriate to the Pacific unique settings. Together we can build a robust framework that will strengthen institutions and IP systems and promote sustainable development. Furthermore, this conference is an opportunity to foster and create partnership. Please extend your cards, get to know members of the panel and those participants, so that as you leave the workshop today and tomorrow, you're going to take those friendships and grow it as you get into this area. Collaboration among our Pacific governments, civil society organizations, and the private sector is critical to effectively build and protect intellectual property. By working together, we can pool our resources, share experience, implement comprehensive measures for protection of intellectual property. As we delve into the discussions over this week, I encourage you all to actively engage wholeheartedly. Let us keep in mind the impact of our collective regional efforts in shaping a brighter future for generations to come. So may this conference mark the beginning of a transformative era for us here in Fiji and the Pacific, where we will lay the foundation for innovation, economic growth, and sustainable development. God bless you all.